Hey there and welcome back. Today I want to talk about how to set up an affiliate landing page. So in Kartra, you can share your link for someone to sign up for your affiliate program without a landing page, but I just think it's a better affiliate user experience to have a nice landing page where you can outline different things about your affiliate program. And so I'm going to show you how to do that today. So if you haven't set up your affiliate program, go watch my other video on how to set that up first, and then you can start to create a landing page and connect the two. So I do have templates that are affiliate landing pages all set up. There's one in the Kartra Marketplace, and I also usually include an affiliate landing page with all of my template packages and bundles. So definitely check those out. I'll put those in the notes. And if you already have a template that you've purchased from me, this is going to be super simple and you can get it done very quickly. Basically, you want to create a landing page. And these are some of my affiliate pages that I have created as templates. I will just go to this Seattle affiliate landing page just to show you what it can look like. Basically, what I would put on an affiliate landing page is just an introduction to your program. What would you want to know if you were joining an affiliate program? So you can share about the commission they're going to get, how they get paid. Obviously, you want a big, bold button where they can join. And then I always typically put some frequently asked questions here and then another button to join. So you may want to put something like, when do I get paid? And put your terms and conditions. So whatever you put in that section of the affiliate program where it says release payments after so many days, you can say that after 30 days, you will then be getting your affiliate commission. Or if you have a system where it's like they will get paid every 14th day of the month, then you can do it that way. So however you want to do it for your business, but just give them some heads up of when they will get paid. You can also do something like you will be paid between the 15th and the 20th of every month, just to give you some leeway. And then you can talk about how they will get paid and what is required. So are those tax forms required? Do they have to have a PayPal account connected in Kartra? I mentioned that I pay them through PayPal, so it would be important. I will not pay them unless their PayPal is connected in Kartra. So it just protects me to make sure that I don't have to go back and forth, letting them know that they will get paid once their PayPal account is connected in Kartra. You can give some instructions about what if they lost their affiliate link, how do they find their affiliate link? You can do any terms and conditions, any legal requirements. What if they don't make a sale within a certain time frame? Are they kicked out of the program? Are there certain tiers for your affiliates that you've set up? So maybe after they've made so many sales, they then get bumped up to a higher commission tier, which you can set up in Kartra, and I show you how to do that in another video. So definitely just think through everything that you would want your affiliates to know before they're joining. Obviously, anything legal, terms and conditions, that can all go on this page to a link to another page, or you can put them right down here. And yeah, this is just one of my templates. So definitely check this out. Just message me if you're interested in getting this template, or you can obviously create a landing page. And then to connect your affiliate program for them to join, you can have a button. So make sure you add a button. And then when you're editing the button, you just want to link it to your affiliate program. So as I've mentioned in previous videos, Kartra does not have one link for all of your products. So it's only linked per product. So when you are linking, if you go to link to an affiliate sign up form, you're going to click that. And then you're going to choose what product that they are going to sign up for. So I have a workaround personally where I can do all products. So I have created a product called All Products Affiliate, and this is where they can sign up to be an affiliate of all of my products. And it's a workaround. It's not great, but that is something that I've seen people do so that they only have to sign up once. So you can also pick one of your products and put that here, and that is how they will sign up. So if I want them to be an affiliate of my Lacy Kartra templates, I will then click apply, and it will then, when they click that button, it'll take them to a form to sign up for the Lacy affiliate. So in your FAQs, you may want to say something like, if they're sharing their affiliate link, will they get credit if someone buys something outside of that link, that product? So if you have whatever you've set up in your global affiliate setting, if you have set it up site-wide, account-wide, or if it's just product specific, making sure that they know, okay, even if someone purchases outside of that product, they will still get commission, and that is set up through your account settings. Or if you have it just product wise, letting them know they will only get commission if someone buys only the product they are referring them to. So you just want to make sure that they know what they're going to get credit for. So that's something that you could put in your FAQ section. And again, if that's confusing, go back and watch my other video, which tells you where those account settings are and where you can set them up. So again, you can create one landing page per product, have an affiliate program per product, if that makes sense for your business. Or the workaround, let me just explain that a little bit more. So you would create a new product called All Products Affiliate. Here, I'll show you what that looks like. And you could then just link the product page as like a website homepage, so that when the person does their affiliate link, it'll just take them to your website homepage. So it's not as tailored where it's not going to take them to a specific product, but it will take them to the website. And then you just want to make sure that you have your settings on that allows them to get commission globally across your account for any purchase that the person makes, so that they will get credit still through that link. So I will just show you how I have mine set up. Again, this is not ideal, but it's just a workaround so that you can only have one affiliate landing page. But basically, I have a product here, and nobody purchases through it or anything, but it's called All Products Affiliate. And this is just a way that they can share this link and get credit. So again, it's not ideal. I wish Kartra had a way to be able to just share one link for everything, but it doesn't. And then with the pages, I'm going to actually change this, and it's just going to be my website homepage. And so when they share their affiliate link, it will take them to my homepage. Whatever they purchase, the person will still get credit. Again, I have templates in my template shop, which all of this is done for you. And then watch the other video on how to set up your affiliate program. Okay, thank you. Put any comments in the comment section, and I will be happy to answer those.